Wow, that is very cool. SEAT.
What SEAT model?
It is SEAT Alhambra.
What year model?
2020.
Cool.
Rosie, come to Bugatti immediately, otherwise police will arrest you.
I'm on my way. Classic Caillou.
Abu G, are you buying SEAT Alhambra now?
Yes, I'm going to buy it, but I'm going for call in Auto Trader.
I'm going to cook some biryani.
Okay then.
Hey Rosie, I'm getting a new LG TV from Costco.
Really, but how much it cost? Classic Caillou, but check on Rooster Money and NatWest.
Okay, I will. It is still £300 in my total, but Amy will gives me in next month.
Me too. Classic Caillou, because Amy gives me in next month as well, like me. Classic Caillou, Caillou, and Daisy.
I know Rosie because she gives me £40 in every months.
Yeah. Classic Caillou, I'm getting a monitor for connecting screen from my laptop.
Really, but how much cost you have a total in your Rooster Money in NatWest?
Okay, so it is £295 on my total, but it is almost £300, like I'm going to beat you, I think.
Really, but I will see you next month in my total balance.
Oh, okay.
Classic Caillou, come downstairs for your biryani.
Okay, Abu G, we are coming downstairs. I hope it's not too spicy.
I'm going to wash the dishes.
Okay then. Look at the TV from screen share.
Damn, that's very nice. 7-seaters with panoramic sunroof, rear air vents. That is very spacious.
Yeah.
Alhambra is a little bit crap, but I still like the shape and interior.
Hang on, my phone is ringing. Hello. Okay, no problem. Yes, I am. Bye. Guys, we are getting SEAT Alhambra tomorrow on 5:15 p.m. after school.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Abu G.
Okay.
Okay, Abu G.
So Rosie, do you want to watch Cigar War 1 Go with?
Hell yeah, it should be very funny.
Ha 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 ha. That was so frickin' hilarious.
Yeah.
So Rosie, I'm getting new Xbox Series S with my own money.
Nice. So Classic Caillou, how much it cost?
Around £300.
Cool.
Hang on, Abu G is calling me. Hello.
Classic Caillou, you can clean the Jeep Compass interior.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Okay, I will hide into wardrobe.
Hey Dora.
Hey Rosie.
I'm buying a new monitor for connecting laptop.
Cool, Rosie.
Yeah, bye.
Bye bye.
I'm done, Abu G.
Thank you, Classic Caillou.
You're welcome. I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to sleep.
We are buying USEAT Alhambra before school.
Man, we are going to school, but what can we do? We will see.
We are going to school. Let's eat breakfast, but first can you tell Daisy to wake up?
Okay, Caillou, I will. Where the heck is Daisy? Daisy, it's time for breakfast.
Okay, let's go.
I wear that school uniform.
I wear school uniform and let's wait for bus.
I wear school uniform too and let's wait for bus. Let's go to bus stop in street.
Hey little Bill.
Yes, classic Caillou.
I'm getting new LG TV and Xbox Series S.
Cool, but how long are you getting it?
I'm not sure, but I will send you a picture on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Hey, why are you talking about the LG and Xbox series? Can you don't talk about it?
Chris, can you shut your mouth, otherwise I will tell Dave. Dave. Chris is being bossy.
Chris, leave classic Kayla alone. Hey, that is swearing, otherwise you will be split up.
Whatever.
Good morning, everyone. So what's your name?
Classic Caillou.
Little Bill.
Penny.
Caillou.
Sherman.
Justin.
Rosie.
Dora.
Brilliant, so I miss Jake.
Hello, I'm the teacher assistant, and I'm Mr. Andrew.
Cool.
Okay, class, so you are going to English at 9:45 a.m., then you are going to break time at 11 a.m., and you are going to maths at 11:15 a.m., then you are having a lunch break in 12:30, and we are doing PSHE at last we are doing RE, and it's home time after RE lesson.
Sounds cool, Miss Jakes.
I'm going to pull bloody fire alarm because school is.
Everyone come out, there is a fire alarm.
Haha, I'm going to run away from school because it is very. I will call the V-car as a taxi.
Guys who pulled fire alarm.
Chris!
Thanks Kasim Ali Sheikh 20K09.
You're welcome, Miss Clementines.
I will check on security camera because Chris pulls fire alarm and run away.
I'm going to pull bloody fire alarm because school is. Haha, I'm going to run away from school because it is very.
Oh my god, I will call his mom.
Hi, what happened?
Chris pulls fire alarm in school and Chris run away from school as well.
Oh dear, but thanks for telling me. I'll check on Tracker and Family Link to find Chris. What? Chris is in Domino's Pizza. I'm going to Rolls-Royce before I wearing shoes.
That was so good. Oh crap, my bloody mom is coming.
Chris, I found you. Let's go to Rolls-Royce. Oh, Chris, how dare you pulling fire alarm in school, and why are you running away from school and going to Domino's Pizza? That's it, you are grounded for 2 days. Go to dirty room right now.
Little Bill, my dad is buying new car.
What type of car?
SEAT Alhambra.
Nice, but what year model?
2020.
Amazing, but what color?
Gray.
Good. Does Alhambra has panoramic sunroof and rear air vents?
Yes.
Does Alhambra has rear climate control?
Yes.
Does Alhambra has automatic sliding doors like open and shut or tailgate rear boot auto open and shut?
Yes.
Does Alhambra has automatic or manual transmission?
Automatic.
Perfect. Does Alhambra has handbrake or electronic handbrake as auto hold?
Electronic handbrake, but yes, it has auto hold.
Cool. Does Alhambra does one touch Windows switch?
Yes, it does have it.
Does Alhambra have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto?
Yes, and it have Bluetooth as well.
Great. Does Alhambra has 360 camera?
No.
Why?
Because it doesn't have 360 camera.
That's too hard.
I know.
Hey Sherman, can I come to your house?
Sure, Penny, I will ask Mr. Peabody.
Oh, okay.
Hey Justin and Arthur, do you want to play Roblox with me when you get home?
Sure, I will play Roblox when my parents allowed me.
Me too, Arthur.
Okay boys, that's fine.
Okay class, so we are doing PSHE, a healthy and unhealthy, so I will give you a sheet. Of you go. Well done guys, so you can do free time whatever you want. Okay class, so we are doing RE. And who is Christians?
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
And who is Muslim?
I do.
I do.
I do.
Brilliant. So here is your sheet. Of you go. Well done. Okay, guys, get your stuff ready for home time. Okay, guys, it's now 3 p.m., so you may go home now. Goodbye, class.
Change your clothes. I wear my home clothes.
I wear my home clothes.
I wear my home clothes too.
I'm home.
Hi Abu G. Okay, we will come at 5:15 p.m.
Daisy, we are going to car dealership at 5:15 p.m.
Oh, okay.
Guys, get ready for going to Hungerford. Let's go everyone.
Wow, that is another SEAT Alhambra.
What year model?
Around 2015.
Is it approved used?
Yes.
What year model is sedan?
2012, but that's quite old.
Is it Skoda Octavia?
Yes, so let's look in interior. Wow, it has rear air vents.
Cool, there is a rear armrest and 2 cup holders.
Yeah, hang on, someone is calling me. Okay, we are on the way.
Enjoy your test drive, boys.
I will add it.
How is your test drive, Boris?
It was very amazing, Adam.
What country are you from?
Pakistan.
Amazing.
What country are you from, Adam?
Palestinian.
Great.
Okay, so it should be 23,000 pounds. Enjoy your new car, Boris.
Hi, can you tell kids come to the new car, Doris?
Okay, we are on the way.
Bye, Adam.
Bye, Boris.
for bed everyone.